Namaste, I am Vishnupriya H. Bhatt from Chennai. This is the month of Margazhi. In this month, we will celebrate Margazhi Mahotsavam through reciting each Tirupavai Pasuram for each day. Today is the 25th day of Margazhi month. I am going to recite Tirupavai Pasuram number 25. Urutti Maganai Pirandu in Ragam Behak, which is set to Aditalam. Urutti Maganai Pirandu, Urutti Maganai Pirandu, Oriravil, Urutti Maganai Olithu Valara, Urutti Maganai Pirandu. Tarikilanagi Tan Tingu Niraitha, Tarikilanagi Tan Tingu Niraitha, Karuthai Pizhaipitha Kamsan Vayittril Neruppena Ninra Nedumali, Neruppena Ninra Nedumali, Neruppena Ninra Nedumali, Unnai Aruttithu Vandom Parai Tarudiyagil, Tiruttakka Selvamum Sevagamum Yam Paadi, Tiruttakka Selvamum Sevagamum Yam Paadi, Varuthamum Teerந்து Magizhndezhum Pavai. Thank you.